VegNews, and we're here at Orchard Grocer in New York City's Lower East Side. They have all the latest vegan items, and a bunch of them are locally made. This is Plant Provisions. They are a locally made gluten-free vegan deli meat, which is really exciting. And we've also got Valentine Burger Co., who makes this king oyster mushroom bacon. And then Louie's Pig Savin' Ribs are also made in New York City. For their first milkshakes, we've got blueberry cardamom and vanilla caramel. It smells so good. All right, this looks so good. All right, so we've got the fried tofu chicken barbecue sandwich. This is the summer special with the tricolor slaw. And I'm gonna try it.